Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your Yahoo Mail. After you open up your Yahoo Mail, next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon. The next thing you need to do is to click on settings. Then scroll down right here, scroll down until you get to manage account privacy right here. Click on that. Let's take you right here. Click on your privacy controls. And you will be redirected right here. You'll be asked to log in. So simply click on next. So enter your login password. Then click on next. So it's going to take you right here. Click on not now for this. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to security. Then from security right here, scroll down right here and make sure you click on two-step verification. Here you have different options for two-step verification right here. You can either use app authenticator or phone number or push notification or security. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use authenticator app. So I'm going to select authenticator app right here. Now an authenticator app has been generated. A key has been generated right here. What we want to do here is to make sure we copy the link. Having copied the key, what we want to do next is to make sure we exit from Yahoo account, and then we head over to our Play Store. If you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store, and on getting to the Play Store, click on search. Make sure you click on search right here and type in Google Authenticator. Then you need to make sure you download and install this Google Authenticator app right here. After you have successfully downloaded and installed it, click on open. Then you'll be taken in right here. Now you want to add your Yahoo account right here. Click on this plus sign right here. Then click on enter a setup key. Then type the name of the account right here, Yahoo. Then paste your key right here, the key you generated from Yahoo. Then click on add. So you can see now we have added it successful. Then we have to head over back to our Yahoo account right here. Then I'll click on next. Then the verification code will be required right here. What we want to do is to go ahead and come back to our authenticator app right here. And then we make sure we copy the verification code. Then we go back right here and we paste the verification code right here. So it's 3. The code is 012543. 012 0 012 543. Click on next. Now we have it added successfully. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to secure your Yahoo account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.